Talofa and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa YouTube channel, where you can learn all about Samoan language and culture. Today we took a snippet out of the Tamaiti video subscription program on Measina Treasures of Samoa. We will be learning how to count from 1 to 10 in Samoan, and you can take a look inside the Tamaiti program. If you would like to see more of this content, make sure to press subscribe. And if you'd like to know more about Tamaiti, click the link in our description. Faitau Numera by Moena Petaya. Tasi Laumei. 1 turtle. Lua Manuki. 2 monkeys. Tolu Serafa. 3 giraffes. Lulu. 4 owls. Lima Pa'a. 5 crabs. Ono Ketapila. 6 caterpillars. Fitu Pusi. 7 cats. Valu Maile. 8 dogs. Eva Moore. 9 chickens. Sefulu Pua'a. 10 pigs. Hey, thank you so much for joining us. Leave a comment below on what the number 5 is in Samoan. So if you know what the number 5 is in Samoan, tell us in the comments below. We also want to ask you, if you liked this and found value in our video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you again so much for joining us here at Measina Treasures of Samoa. Hope to see you again. Toi whai loai.